Hello guys, welcome to the How To channel. In this video, we will see how to use CloudBot, the best guy agent. For you to do this, we will find yourself directly in your browser. Once here, we are going to search for CloudBot, and we are going to have the first result. And now we are going to have what is this area here. And we will see that here it to say label. Here it says OpenCloud.ai. We're going to enter this one, and we are going to have more information about what Cloud is and what we can do with CloudBot. It tells you what it is. Here it says to the idiot render or render these two things. It tells you what you can clean your inbox. It can also send emails, manage your calendars, and check flights all throughout WhatsApp, Telegram, or some chat application that we use. So here we have more information about what is or what is does. Here it tells you that we can run to this on your machine. We will have different types of operating systems that are compatible. We will also have here that we can talk with this guy and ask it for something through WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, Zoom, among other messaging apps. It has a persistent memory, which means that you remember everything we have told it has what your preference or your context in your own guide. We have a control of the browser and complete access to the system. That is to say, it will to be able to do everything: read files, create files, run CNMs, execute tables, among all these. It also has plugin or abilities, which will be called complementary section of what it is. So, how are going to be able to perform the installation of OpenCloud? Well, look down here. We have the quick starts. In this case, the quick start, we have several options as we can see. Here is tells you first the operating system, which we are going to be able to change between MacOS, Linux, and Windows. In this case, since we are going on Windows, we are going to leave it, and we had this area that tells us that we have four options: the one-liner, the npm, the package, or macOS. In this case, for example, we are going to leave it with npm. So what we are going to have to do is use the npm option. In this case, it is npm because I have npm available. So what we could do is click on copy. Now we are going to do is open CMD. We're going to do type CMD press enter, and directly we are going to paste and press enter, so that installation of OpenCloud is carried out inside our device. So we are going to wait for all this to finish analyzing. As you can see, it's already loading, and we are going to have to wait for the installation to be completed. It many also call it Globen. It just has different names due to certain similarities with other artificial intelligence, which is why these chains we are made, but it is still literally the same kind and work for the same purpose. So once we do all this process, here we are going to have to check the respective configuration of everything that is OpenCL or Cloudera. We are we are going to configure everything, select what we want, and also the model summon more things like abilities. If you want to see in more deep, you can watch the other video that we are going to record upload with the How To channel. For now, we are only going to show you the section where it is already installed and configured. So once this is done, so once this done, as we can see, we already have the OpenCloud dashboard. In this case, if you were local setup, as we can see, we're going to have already OpenCL. Here is in to show you more information, include the health section. In this case, it's okay. If you get an error, maybe it's because something is missing, like a gateway or gateway token. In this case, what you have to do is the following. Here we just say with token, this will be wrong is something friendly. What you're going to do this, paste the code, OpenCloud config get gateway that token, press enter, and what is going to happen is that you are going to obtain your token. In this case, it will be this one here. You copy it, go to the take gateway token section in the OpenCL overview, paste it, and press connect. Once you do this, it's obvious we have to running the OpenCL gateway so that this works. And now we are going to have OpenCloud. As we can see, we have the side area where are going to find chat, the control section, the agent section, the configuration section, and the browser section. We are also going to be able to analyze the configuration of your mode, light mode or dark mode. Here we are going to see the health of your OpenCL. If there's any problem, it will show you an error in red. Here we have the area where we can select section, reload your data, and manage everything. We also have the option to activate or deactivate thinking, which is a deeper thinking option of your agent. Here we have the area to the perform focus mode. We also have the overview, which I already mentioned, where we can see everything about OpenCloud application or your agent that's already or your computer. Here we have the section extend section where it shows you on which device the section are connected, as well as to say tokens and other keys. We also have the Chrome jobs where we can add more tasks. We have the agent section where we can see the agents we have. In this case, we only have one. Then we go to the ability sections where you can also visualize abilities. If you want to activate one of these, you click Boolean skills, and here we can see some that are locked. In this case, it is the code agent, which is eligible. So we can enable to delegate coding tasks to Codex, Cloud, Coder, or similar system development weight. That is it works while we are doing other activities. We also have the node section where you can see more information about nodes or configuration. If we want to use the channel, we have to activate them. After that, for example, if I want to activate OpenCloud with WhatsApp, I just have to click on show QR. Of course, I have to activate the scan spheres. Then it will show me the WhatsApp QR code, and we have to connect it. With that, we complete the configuration to work directives from OpenCloud through WhatsApp. So what we do, so what we will do is click on new, start a new chat with this artificial intelligence agent. And once that is done, we can start asking any type of tags for it to carry with any problem. With the ease that it does everything on its own. And that's basically how you can start configure and start using Cloud on your computer. As you saw, this really powerful tool that can help you to automate tasks, manage your workflow, and connect with apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, and more, all from one place. Once everything is set up, you can start creating chat, activating different abilities, and letting the agent handle tasks for you in the browser while you focus on other things. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the how-to channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.